Another way you could do it is strum it. So I'll show you both those ways. We'll start with the finger picking way. It's really actually quite simple. So you're gonna start with your thumb on the low E. You're gonna pluck that. Now you're gonna do a little chord shape here. Middle finger, 4th fret of the G, ring finger, 5th fret of the D. And you're gonna pluck that with your index and middle. That's what I'm using. Index on D, middle on G. So you're going. All right. Now you're going to set your index finger down, 3rd fret of the A. Move your thumb down to pluck the A. Middle or index and middle stay on the same D and G for this whole song. So you got. Now you got to turn to a different shape here. So you got to shape shift. So you got to set your pinky down here on the 5th fret of the A. Ring finger, 5th fret of the, 4th fret of the D, index finger, 2nd fret of the G. And that's kind of a little bit tougher chord to play. You got to get this voicing on your D and G and set your pinky down here. So here's what we got so far. Now finally we're going to go to a B7 shape, middle finger, 2nd fret of the A, index, 1st fret of the D, ring finger, 2nd fret of the G, and thumb on A again. So you put that all together. All right. Now strumming way, you just do an E minor shape, index finger, 2nd fret of A, middle finger, 2nd fret of D. That's probably the best strum pattern for each chord. Just down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And you go to a C. So middle finger was where it needed to be to go to the C. 2nd fret of D, ring finger jumps up to 3rd fret of A, index finger, 1st fret of B. Same thing, down, 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 up. D2, index finger, 2nd fret of G, ring finger, 3rd fret of B, then B7. All right, so middle finger, 2nd fret of A, index finger, 1st fret of D, ring finger, 2nd fret of G. So all together. Alright, so hopefully that helps you get a good start on this one. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.